which inceptions your aquarium channel. Today I am at Nana Exotic, located besides the Karnala Bird Sanctuary near Panvel city. Presenting before you the Nana Exotic World of Exotic Treasures. This is an exclusive video. This is a very special video, and I guarantee that you all will love watching this store video because this video contains some amazing premium fishes. इस स्टोर में कंपटीशन विनर एरवानास है, चैंपियन एरवानास है, कुछ ऐसे फिशेस है जो पूरे इंडिया में सिर्फ यहाँ पर इस स्टोर में आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. ऑल्सो हियर दे हैव गॉट some high-end filtration, AC, giant massive display aquarium, and some amazing rare collection of fishes. So please make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video to know everything about Nana Exotic Aquarium Store. Now let's meet with the man behind this awe-inspiring setup. Here is with us Mr. Saurabh Sarvi. So, सबसे पहले सौरभ सर, thank you so much for having me over here. This setup that you have made is a heaven for hobbyists like us. I want जितने भी हमारे वेस्टर्न हॉबीइस्ट हैं वो ये वीडियो देखे so that उनको भी पता चले कि इंडिया में किस लेवल की फिशेस रखी जा रही है, क्या लेवल के सेटअप्स बनाए जा रहे हैं. The setups that you have made is mind-blowing, extraordinary and spectacular. This aquarium that I am watching, your display aquarium, is breathtaking. It is totally incredible, and I would like you to speak to our viewers and tell us about this entire setup, about this store, Nana Exotic. So, over to you, Mr. Saurabh.
Welcome SJ, Namaskar, Namaste, Jai Hind. Welcome everyone to Nana Exotic Farm. The Nana word is dedicated to my late uncle Shri Dilip Salvi. I have many farms like Nana Stud Farm, Nana Dog Farm and many more. But this is a new venture, the Nana Exotic Fishes. Everyone is welcome here in a Nana Exotic showroom, and all the fishes are for sale. You can come here, you can have a look, click a nice picture and decide whatever you want to take. And we do have the rarest collection of fishes in Nana Exotic Farm. Maybe some of the fishes are only available in our showroom. One and only piece in India.
Now we are showing you the unbeatable collection at Nana Exotics, presenting before you this mind-blowing, extraordinary, spectacular arowana fish available over here. One and only one piece available in India. We would like to know about this fish, Saurabh sir, from you.
So this is the Indo Super Red. This is 26-inch in size.
Wow, truly fascinating and incredible. ये fish की आप अगर scales देखोगे, it is truly on another level. And also the pectoral fins.
Okay, so this is an example. How are the fishes we are keeping here? This is rare of the rare piece. You can see the size. You can see the size. You can see the size. This is 26-inch in length, and I think it's almost 8 inches in width. Look at the size, bro.
I am literally awestruck and surprised by watching this arowana. पेश है आपके सामने ये incredible arowana fish. इसके pectoral fins आप देख सकते हो. They are so long, and this is not an ordinary arowana, not an ordinary super red. ये एक champion है. हमको सौरभ भाई बताएंगे बेहतर इसके बारे में जी.
Okay, this is a champion. He has won the competition in 2023. This is Indo Super Red.
Alright, so ये एक champion है. That means it has won a title.
Yeah. We also have his cup and a certificate.
Wow. So have a look at this fish. Words would fall less to describe the incredible beauty that it is carrying. And have a look at the rims and scales. It has already proven itself, so we won't have to describe it more. Just have a look. If you want to personally visit here and look at this fish, you are welcome over here at Nana Exotics. Presenting before you the next arowana, which is also super rare in India, which is available at the Nana Exotic. So सौरभ भाई, इसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे?
So this is albino blue base arowana, and this is also a one and only piece in whole India.
Awesome. So ये एरवाना आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगी. ऑल्सो अभी आप देख सकते हैं इसके बॉडी के ऊपर कैसी ब्लू शेड, हल्की सी ब्लू शेड शाइन कर रही है. सो ये अल्बाइनो में एक ब्लू अल्बाइनो है. सो इट इज़ वेरी रेयर, सुपर रेयर इन इंडिया. अब हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं एक बेहद अनोखी फिश विच इज हियर एट द नाना एक्सोटिक्स. आई एम श्योर मैक्सिमम व्यूवर्स और मे बी ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज must have watched this fish for the first time in this video of Nana Exotics. Now we'll get to know the name of this fish from Saurabh sir. Ji.
Albino Chinese perch. This is also one and only piece in India.
All right. This is albino Chinese perch and ये देखिए इसके बॉडी के ऊपर बेहद अलग पैटर्न्स है. You can watch those red, dark red eyes. And the shape of this fish is truly unique and the way it swims is also phenomenal. So let's watch the feeding now. Here it grabbed so swiftly and now अब आप देख सकते हैं इसका actual रूप. अब this is truly a treat to the eyes watching this incredible rare fish. Now we are showing you the next super rare and super incredible fish. This is a catfish, but a premium level catfish. Let's get to know the name. Ji Saurabh sir.
This is albino Welsh catfish. This is also only one piece available in India currently.
Wow, truly fascinating and mind-boggling to watch this catfish.
This is unfortunately not for sale.
All right, let's have a look at the main attraction of Nana Exotic, which is this display aquarium. A massive setup, and इस setup के अंदर है एक से बढ़कर एक incredible and astounding aquarium fishes. The moment I stepped inside this store, after watching this aquarium, I was literally stunned and awestruck. Now let's get to know कि क्या fishes है इसके अंदर, and I'm going to make a separate video to let you know about this entire aquarium. जी सौरभ भाई.
Okay, so
Of course, सबसे पहले हम Kings को preference देंगे.
that is also Indo Super Red. And he's also, I think, 26 inches in length.
Okay.
And almost 8 inches in width.
Have a look at the supremacy. Have a look at the class. Have a look at the premium level of this fish. Totally unbeatable and top notch. नेक्स्ट कौन सी बताएंगे आप हमको?
नेक्स्ट ये वाला है ब्लू मैचर.
ब्लू मैचर.
दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द जायंट फिश.
करेक्ट. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, ब्लू मैचर मैंने सिर्फ इतने बड़े साइज के सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडिया के बाहर देखे, पहली बार इंडिया में मैं इतने बड़े ब्लू मैसेज देख रहा हूँ। ऑनेस्टली ऐसा लग रहा है कि आउट ऑफ इंडिया की एक्वेरियम शूट कर रहा हूँ, बट फिशेस भी ऐसे लग रहे हैं कि वेस्टर्न कंट्री की कोई एक्वेरियम सेटअप है, उसके फिशेस हम देख रहे हैं। एंड जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द साइज ऑफ दिस फिशेस, द बल्कीनेस ऑफ द फिशेस, द थिकनेस ऑफ दीज फिशेस, विच प्रूव्स दैट फीडिंग मेंटेनेंस इनकी बहुत ज़बरदस्त होती होगी। देन नेक्स्ट कौन सी दिखाएंगे?
Next are the phoenix barbs,
यस,
and these are also bought first time in India for the aquarium hobby.
ऑलराइट, इतने बड़े फिनिक्स बार्ब्स एक्चुअल में लाइव पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ। छोटे छोटे आपने भी देखे होंगे, बट इतने बड़े फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर वाचिंग। दिस इज ट्रूली माइंड बॉगलिंग टू वॉच दीज फिशेस स्विम, मूव। देन नेक्स्ट कौन सी दिखाएंगे?
Next, there are red meshes,
ओके,
that one below,
यस,
and this is flactel.
रेड फ्लैक्टर की साइज भी देखिए क्या जबरदस्त है।
And the giant stingrays,
वाह,
maybe more than 15 inches.
ऑलराइट,
The circle itself, it's more than 15 inches. 15, 16 inches maybe.
ऑलराइट, एंड हियर
Here are the King Kong, the giant King Kongs. They are also with the great size.
यस,
See, look,
करेक्ट,
look at them.
यस,
Red mammon.
ओके।
And-
वहाँ पर एक फिश है,
They are the peacock bass.
ऑलराइट, stunning pattern on the body. As we have to cover more fishes at Nana Exotics, I am going to make a separate video on this aquarium because we have already made a big video, so make sure for that video as well. Have a look at the next dragon fish at the Nana Exotic, and इसकी भी ब्यूटी easily आप मेक आउट कर सकते हो आफ्टर वॉचिंग द स्केल रिम्स एंड द स्केल बॉर्डर्स। ये कौन सी फिश है सौरभ भाई?
ये जंबो सुपर रेड है।
जी, मैंने नोटिस किया है कि आपकी ईच एंड एवरी एरोवाना इज ऑफ अ स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी एंड ईच एंड एवरी एरोवाना इज प्रीमियम, एंड यू हैव मेंटेन दिस वन थिंग इन ईच एंड एवरी फिश। आई एम नोटिसिंग दैट हर एक की ये जो फिन है, जो लॉन्ग फिन है, इसको लॉन्ग हैंड्स कहते हैं। सो कैन यू शेयर द सोर्स और द फार्म नेम ऑफ दिस एरोवानास दैट यू हैव केप्ट?
ये ब्रदर हेड कालीमंदन।
Okay, each and every arowana is Kalimantan arowana.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
ब्रदर हेड कालीमंदन।
Okay.
सुपर ब्रीडर।
Yes, and I cannot take my eyes off these fishes, but we have more stock to cover to show you. Now we are showing you a true monster fish over here, and check out the deep scales that it has got, and also the most important highlight of this fish, which are its strong sharp teeth. You can have a look at them clearly. Which is this fish bite?
दिस इज अफ्रीकन टाइगर फिश।
ओके, एंड देन यहाँ पर नीचे बेहद ब्यूटीफुल स्टिंगरेज है। ये कौन से स्टिंगरेज है?
ये पोल्का डॉट।
ओके, next arowana is also a long hand arowana. As you can clearly see, the pectoral fins are easily touching the pelvic fins at this size, and also have a look at the clear cut spoon head on this arowana. Which is this one, bhai?
दिस इज किंग सुपर रेड।
Whoa, this is also another astonishing dragon fish available here. यहाँ पर अब हम एक फ़िश आपको दिखा रहे हैं जिसकी बॉडी की आप टॉप कर्व देख सकते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ रेयर एंड इसको ऐसे छोटे छोटे सर्कुलर पैटर्न्स आते हैं नियर द बॉटम फिन. एंड इसकी एनल, इसकी जो कॉर्डल फिन होती है वो एक समान ही होती है. कौन सी फ़िश है भाई
ये अल्बाइनो नाइट फिश है.
Next dragon fish is in front of you in the frame right now. Yes, bhai.
This is also super red.
Just look at the collection of super reds at Nana Exotics. Can you describe about them, bhai?
So these are the super red juveniles. These are the small super reds, the same quality which you have shown in that big Arowana, 26 inches Arowana. They are the same quality and from the same farm.
Okay. Next arowanas यहाँ पे कौन से हैं?
They are 24 karat Malaysian crossbacks.
यहाँ पे है ये रेड ब्यूटी. कौन सी फिश है ये?
ये रेड मैमन है. He is also giant in size, about 10 inches, 10-11 inches.
Nice.
So ये फिनिक्स बाब्स के जो बड़े साइज आप देख रहे हैं उसमें हमारे पास we also got the babies for the we got 4-5 inch size, we got 10 inch size, we got 12 inch size. We are having every size of every fishes, blue mashes, phoenix barbs, arowanas, whatever, stingrays.
So Saurabh sir, as I said in the start, this place is a heaven for passionate hobbyists. And I want to say, ये वीडियो देखने के बाद बहुत सारे मेरे तरह से हॉबियस्ट यहाँ पर आना चाहेंगे. दे वुड लाइक टू वॉच दिस फिशेस पर्सनली एंड द वे यू हैव मेड दिस सेटअप. आई लिटरली एन्जॉयड covering each and every fish that is available over here, and thanks a lot for allowing me to feature your awesome, amazing and one of its kind store on our platform. I am feeling very glad and grateful to be able to share your wonderful store with all our viewers, with all the hobbyists who are connected with our channel. And I am sure जितना मज़ा, जितना आनंद, जितना अच्छा मुझे लगा आपके फिशेस को देखकर, उतना आनंद हमारे व्यूवर्स को आएगा ये फिशेस को देखकर. एंड आई एम श्योर हर एक हॉबीज़ का मन करेगा आपके स्टोर में आने का. एंड congratulations to you for bringing your vision, transforming your vision into reality. This is not at all an easy task. I can only imagine कितना hard work और efforts लगा होगा ये पूरा खड़ा करने के लिए, reality में लेके आने के लिए. And once again, I truly enjoyed and loved covering your fishes. Thanks a lot once again for having me over here. I am looking forward to come here again and again to look at these fishes and just feel relaxed and just get absorbed into the beauty of these wonderful exotic creatures that you have stocked over here. कुछ आखिरी शब्द आप कहना चाहेंगे?
So thanks AJ for coming here, shooting and spending a quality time with me, and obviously Nana Exotic. Do come again, visit the store. The store is open 24/7 for every fish lovers or pet lovers. You can come here, you can have a look, you can feel the fishes, you can take a pictures, you can upload your pictures, do whatever you feel like. It's all yours, and you can buy. Obviously, if you want, you can obviously buy. That's it. Thanks.
Alright, so this was the exclusive and special video of Nana Exotic that you just watched. Let me know in the comment section about your thoughts and views about this wonderful aquarium store, which is near Panvel City besides the Karnala Bird Sanctuary. This store is open to each and every one of you. अगर आपको यहाँ पर आना है, पर्सनली इन फिशेस को देखना है, एंड ऑल्सो ये देखना है कि क्या नेक्स्ट लेवल की क्वालिटी, क्या प्रीमियम लेवल के फिशेस यहाँ पर इन्होंने रखे हैं, किस प्रकार से रखे हैं, वो सब अगर आपको देखना है, सो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. दिस स्टोर इज़ ओपन 24/7 एंड आई थिंक ये एक ही ऐसा एक्वेरियम स्टोर या शोरूम होगा जो आपको वेलकम कर रहा है 24/7. Whenever you feel like, you can visit here and enjoy here. So let me know in the comment section about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy fish keeping and have a wonderful day ahead.